Okay, I did pull the code, and it says brake switch B circuit and brake switch A circuit. So I use my code reader, and so I'm going to locate where they are, and if it's a switch that I need to replace, then I will replace it. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. That's on my Fiat 2013. For several weeks, the ESC, Electronic Stability Control icon came on, and it comes and go, and so now it's the engine light that stay on. The engine light came in about a week after the ESE keeps on flashing. So I did a search for a code, and it is the brake switch B circuit, and then brake switch A circuit. Okay, I did pull the code, and it says brake switch B circuit and brake switch A circuit. Okay, a few days later, I bought the switch, the brake light switch, and it's about $11. Okay, so now we are down where the pedals are, and this is the brake pedal, and then it is up here. You can see it's blue. So that's where it is, and it's a very tight space back here. So you for the Fiat, all cars have them. Okay, this Fiat, you can see if you want more room to move around, there's this little bracket here that can be taken out here. So you can take that out for more room, so you can reach or up there to unsnap the old one out. And again, the switch in question, as it is connected with the wire harness here. Once you do that, and then you will need to jiggle it out to take it out of the platform. All right, guys. So let me show you how to take this out, because there's no room up there. You see, there's no room to film while doing this. So first, I take the connector off, and to do that, it's really difficult unless you're really a master at this. But I use a flat screwdriver and push it, put it in here and push it in gently, and then it free up the connector. So this one was by itself. Okay, so now to take this out, just turn. It will not come off, because apparently, I don't know what the mechanism is. It's locked in that little chamber. Okay, you see part of it? That's a little chamber right here, the black thing. Yeah, it's locked. So to take this out, you need both hands. So one hand will twist this, okay, the switch, and then the other hand will pull up toward the seat. This here, you'll pull up the brake pedal. You'll put it up while you're twisting this, and it doesn't take a lot of twisting, and does a lot of force. So in a matter of a second, you'll be able to take this out, and then to put it back, you do the same too, okay, to put it back. And because you can't just put this back in there and where it's not properly secure, because you won't be able to push on it. it will be loose. Okay, so basically that's how that's how it's done. I wish there was a better design for this. Okay, so now you see, yeah, it is seated, and all I have to do right now is put the see that wiring harness, the little white tab. So now all I have to do is just put it back, and then clear the code and drive the car around, and hopefully that it works. But this is how you get this out. Okay, you can do it. All right, so before I go on a drive, I'm going to clear the code. You see the engine light, okay, and then the ESC. So now let me go ahead and clear them. All right, I just came back from a about 15 minutes drive, and the engine light is not back on, and I checked for codes and no codes, and the ESC is not there. So hopefully it doesn't come back. But that's the first try, because that's the obvious one, because I got that code for light switch. Okay, brake light switch. So replace them. So hopefully this video help, and if the problem comes back, and I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.